So what are we even here for?
Get something super special.
Yeah, but what is it?
The Riz Machine!
The Riz machine?
The Riz Machine!
It's just a machine, man.
The Riz! Wait, did you just Riz me up?
No.
We have to do the most important thing.
Important?
We're going to do an important mission of going back in time and rizzing everyone in the whole world. Yeah. That's right, we're going back in time to riz every single person on the whole entire world!
Did you just giggle?
No, but look at this person. See? Yeah, look, he's nodding at me. See? That means that he likes me. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Hello, welcome to our Rizzy Man things.
I'm just gonna go now.
Don't leave!